Good morning, everyone. After doing the reader, it's turn to do the companion book, that is workbooks. Okay, so let's start. Just the way we had done questions for given answers using what and where, we have the first exercise here using what or where to ask questions. First one says, what the children flew kites. So we are talking about some object. We are talking about kites. We are talking about kites. So we'll say what? Thing hai na? We are talking about thing. So we'll say, what did the children fly? What did the children fly? Next is, they flew kites in the garden. In the garden. Garden is a place. So we'll say, for place we use where. Where did they fly the kites? Where did they fly the kites? The baby birds were in the nest. In the nest is again a place. So we'll say, where were the baby birds? Where were the baby birds? Their mother brought food for them. Now we are talking about food. So we'll say what? Food is a thing. So we'll say what? What did their mother bring for them? What did their mother bring for them? They ate the food and then went to sleep. They're doing something. What did they do? They're doing something. Eating the food and then went to sleep. So we'll say, what did they do? What did they do? Now main thing here what we learnt was using did. Past tense hai na? All the answers are in past tense. So we need to ask for past tense. Now when we use did, that is already using past tense. So with all the sentences where we used did, we were wherever we used did, we did not use the past tense form of the verb. We had used the first form only. Remember this. Please remember this. Okay. Now next exercise says, fill in the blanks using what or where. Easier, just like what we did just now. Okay. Dash is the owl. Answer is, it's in the tree. In the tree place hai, so we'll say where. Where is the owl? Ye present tense hai. We have is. It's hooting. Work ho raha hai na? So we'll say what? What is it doing? What is it doing? It's under the tree. Under the tree is a place. So we'll say where. Where is the dog? Where is the dog? It's under the tree. It's putting its jaws on its ears. It's doing something. So we'll say what? For doing, we'll say what? What is it doing? What is it doing? It's putting its jaw on its ears. Haha. It does not like the cry of the owl because it's trying to shut its ears. Next is a conversation. We had done conversation in reader also. Now you know very well how to fill it. Traveler. Dash name. What is your name? Alibaba. My name is Alibaba. Traveler. What are you? What are you? I'm a woodcutter. I'm a woodcutter. Traveler. Where do you live? Where do you live? Alibaba. I live not far from the forest. I live not far from the forest. Clear it? Because it's easy even, hai na? Next page. Encircle the odd word in each row. Barber, friend, tailor, woodcutter. All are doing professions. Barber profession है, tailor भी, and woodcutter also. So friend will be an odd one. Friend will be the odd one. Wood, silver, bronze, gold. Now after Olympics everybody knows bronze, silver, gold are all metals. So wood is not a metal. So wood is the odd one out. Cut, trim, donkey, shape. Like your dads shave their hair, moms trim their hair, sometimes they get them cut also. So cut, trim and shave same hai. Donkey is an animal. All these words mean making small. Donkey is an animal, so donkey is the odd one out. Coin, money, bank, saddle. Coin, money, bank all are related. We go to bank to put the money, to deposit the money or to withdraw the money. Coin is also a form of money. Saddle is the seat. Seat bhi nahi. The like it's used on donkeys' backs. Seat hi keh lo. Even what we use on horses' backs, that is called a saddle. The one, the thing on which we sit on the horses. Even donkeys have those saddles to keep the loads that they have to carry. So saddle is a different word here. Join and make phrases. A lot of money, a heap of sand, a pile of clothes. Okay, a pile of wood कर देते हैं, a bundle of clothes. Okay, a lot of money, a heap of sand, a pile of wood, a bundle of clothes. Okay. Now, use these phrases in the sentences given below. The builders have left behind a heap of sand. Let's remove this heap of sand left behind by the builder. There is dash in Asma's purse. A lot of money. There is a lot of money in Asma's purse. The washerman is carrying a bundle of clothes on his cycle. A bundle of clothes on his cycle. There is a pile of wood in the backyard. The Sherpa is going to light a fire and make tea. A pile of wood. Pile means one on top of the other. Fine. Next page. Children, छोटे exercises are, we'll be able to finish all of them today. Read these words aloud and then write them in the space provided. Quiet, quiet, quick, start, stance, tick. Read out the following words. Notice the sound made by the highlighted letters. In each row, put a tick mark against the word in which the highlighted letter makes a different sound. Makes a different sound. Let's see. Car, far, jar, war, tar. So where do we have a different sound? War. Ball, hall, call, wall, shall. Where do we have a different sound for A? Shall. Catch, cat, can, city, class. Highlighted word is C. Catch, cat, can, city, class. It will be city. We have a different sound of C in the word city. Now this is a very easy one. Next one, we have to add the headings to the detailed news. This Amina restored to parents. New Zealand put India out of the World Cup. Mauritius becomes a republic. Isko just read. Opener mark, great batch is scored. Fury 73 today to lift New Zealand to an emphatic 4-wicket victory over India. So which heading? New Zealand put India out of World Cup. The High Court today finally ordered that Amina be restored to her parents in Hyderabad, thus ending the 7-month-long ordeal of the child bride's stay at the children's home here. So, Amina restored to parents. At the stroke of midnight yesterday, this illuminated island nation bid farewell to Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II as its head of state and passed on the high office to a popular son of the soils, Sir Veer Swami Ringadu, who was until yesterday the Queen's representative as the Governor General. Port Louis, it is in Mauritius. So Mauritius becomes a republic. ये तो easy सा, you just have to number them. ये भी easy सा है. I'm a woodcutter's donkey. I have a lot of hair. Children, I'll be rubbing and writing because there's some less space. No? चलो इसको बड़ा भी करते हैं तो we will not be able to do. I have a lot of hair on my body. You can do like that even. I have a lot of hair on my body. It is not soft. It is very rough. One day, my master took me to a barber's shop. You know, barber who cuts the hair. So the master took the donkey also there. The barber put soap on my back. Of course, before shaving the hair off, you need to put some soap and bring lather. So the barber put soap on my back. I did not like it. Then he started shaving. I was afraid. Donkey is telling its experience, no? I was afraid. And he stopped shaving. Stopped shaving me. My master started laughing. Sorry, children. Then I put soap on my back. I did not like it. Then he started shaving. I kicked the barber. He was afraid and stopped shaving me. My master started laughing. You know, donkeys kick very hard. So when he started kicking the barber, his master started laughing. Now here we have one. These are very important exercises. You must understand the importance and the need of it. आपको यहाँ 3 questions हैं. You have to find answers to these 3 questions and write a long paragraph using these 3 questions. While writing the answers to these 3 questions, you have to make it a big paragraph and write. And what is the situation? It is a dark night. You are traveling by bus from Delhi to Agra. Now it is saying you. So you will be writing in I. You will be writing in first person using I for yourself. In a lonely spot, 2 armed dacoits waylay our bus. Dacoits, you know, those who loot the things. Use your imagination and write a paragraph by answering the following questions. What did they want? What did they do? When did they leave the bus? Now obviously, like first you'll tell that you were going somewhere and you can say it was getting dark. So dark mein, usually dark mein the dacoits come, no? So you can say it was getting dark. Suddenly 2 dacoits were there. Armed dacoits were there. The driver had to stop the bus, and they got up into the bus and started asking the people to give their valuables, watches, wallets, money, all the jewelry, like all these are valuables only. They started asking for their valuables. The people were scared. Now since they had the guns with them, like weapons थे उनके पास, so the common people, the passengers were scared. They started giving up their giving out their valuables. They started giving their valuables to these dacoits, and then when they felt that they had reached a safe place, they got down from the bus. Now the bus took a U-turn and came back. because they could not go further, they had no money left with them. ठीक है ना? So this is what you are going to do, children. Do this work in neat handwriting in the workbook. Next class we'll do something more interesting. Till then, bye bye.